Alright, we're back. Not in the same car, as you can probably tell. So I ended up selling the Jeep. That's a long story. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's been a whole year. Last time I did a vlog was last year. But yeah, we are no longer in the Jeep. I had to sell it. That's a long story. That's a year-long story to do with a dealership who messed about. It's the worst part. It's too long. It's very long to explain, and I'm not going to get into it now. Either way, we're here. I've got a new car, and it is a Mercedes. Never had a Mercedes. I've had quite a few German cars. I've never had a Mercedes. We got it quite cheap because it had a blown engine. It's got, as we are speaking right now, 216,000 miles, 216,488. But it's got a rebuilt engine. So yeah, got it for £3,500. Few things need to be done to it. It's bone stock, and it's the SE, so it's not exactly kitted out. But this series, and again, just for me, because I do enjoy watching like my old videos, and that was the whole point of, I guess, me doing this, is to look back and see what I've done and whatever. Anyway, yeah, just to see where I go, what I do with it, and it's also to show that you don't need like a 20,000-30,000 pound sports car. You can mod and make your own car to your own liking, and it can be any car. This is an E220D 2016 plate, SE, so it's literally like basic. But yeah, we're actually on our way to Samiz. The first thing that needs to be done is tints, dechrome, but that's at a later stage, because I want to do it all at one go when we have a bit more money. And yeah, tints, dechrome, wheels, and don't know, whatever's next, whatever is good. But you know, I like my black on black on black on black, so that's what we're gonna do first. Yeah, only had it like a week, and I'm already doing something to it. Well, I say me, as in the shop. But yeah, we're gonna go there now. Don't even know. Might as well stop. Yes. Bye. Driving back, and it's all done. As you can see, the tints are tinting, and yeah, I couldn't be happier. Oh, remind me, prestige tints, I think they were called. Yeah, they've done a good job, great job. I'll show you after when I get back to Samir's. And there he is, madman.
Many months later.
Okay, so it's obviously not the same day. May have taken a few weeks off, but obviously a very different location. But it has been tinted, and it looks so much nicer. Well, to an extent. I did clean it a few weeks ago, and greyish weather. Somehow it's all sandy. I don't understand how it's all sandy, but anyway, I digress. Today we're going to do things bit by bit, step by step. So I just want to start the process of getting all the chrome off, chrome off. So obviously going to do all the trim, the badges, the tips, the sides, change the wheels. There's a few bits to change as well, like this cover, which we do have, and some interior bits. But there's a few things to do on this car. I don't want to modify it too much. It's not going to be something I'm going to be keeping for a long time, but just something for now. Just make it all black. That's my thing. And so yeah, today we're going to start off with this badge. So I've never really done it before, so you're going to see me doing it step by step. I'm going to learn together, I guess, in a bit. So after looking at the new badge, which is very plastic, I'm very surprised. But I'm guessing you just squeeze these out from the old one, so let's go and give that a go. So I don't know if you can see in there, but it's pretty much the same thing.
Eventually.
Done. So I know the car's filthy anyway, but I need to clean it up. So if you've got some ceramic spray, just okay. Well, I'll clean this up and be back. I know no one's really gonna see it anyway, but it just feels better to have the underneath cleaned, and you don't really clean it a lot anyway. You never take off the badge, but yeah, this will sit a lot nicer. Hopefully reduce any scratching. Well, there we go. Let's put the new one in. Obviously, you can tell I'm a bit, yeah, this isn't really my area. I don't really know. Like I said, it's been over 2 weeks. I've been wanting to do a lot of these stuff for a long time. 2 weeks since, no, it's actually been over a month since I got this car. And I've had this bit for a very long time. So yeah, let's see how easy it is to put on. I'm guessing very. Okay, well, that was it. There we go. It's actually a bit loose. Well, maybe it's just me being picky, but yeah, that is very loose. Does it go anymore? No, that's it. Don't know how I feel about that. I might actually change that, because I'm not happy how that sits. How it looks is alright, but yeah, not sure about how it sits, to be honest. Oh, ha! How about that? How about that? Let's try and fix this up, eh? Give me 1 second. So when I looked in the back of the original one, so this is the original, it had grommets in there to stop this from sliding about. That's kind of broken now. What I've decided to do is use the original one, use the grommets, take this out, which is a bit of a fuss, as you can see. I had to use that to pry this, and then these snap, so I had to use this inside here to push them out. But yeah, we should be okay now. Let's give it a go. Difficult. A lot harder than I thought. Seems a lot bigger gap than I thought it would be. Right? So, update. We've yeah, we've screwed. We've broken them both. Broken. So I'm currently hoodless. However, also, these are so tightly in there. Like, I've been trying so much to hammer them in. So, there must be something that I can do, right? Well, let me get one of these screws that seem to be all over this bit, which yes, I do need to change. I'll put it in, screw it in, and then ply it out, and bam, we've got one out. So what I'm planning on doing, because obviously this is thicker and it should fit in there without the grommets, so I'm going to take out the grommets, put some sticky things on the back, put it in and see. Yeah, wish me luck. I think this might actually work. So we've got the grommets out after a long fight. So now, luckily for me, I have this. So I'm going to put it in the back of this and see how it goes. See you when I do that. Welcome back to the Shambles show. So the little thing that I showed you wasn't actually double-sided. It was just some foam for something or other. Anyway, so I've got double-sided tape, put that foam, and now we're going to try and put it together. Let's see. This is a classic thing of just buy genuine. Don't skimp out. I think I got this maybe for £10-11. Genuine ones like 30-40 pounds. Time, money, quality. I should have bought the real one. But hindsight's a something. So I'll be back. Look at that. It fits really nicely and it doesn't even wiggle. And I've used the genuine, whatchamacallit, the genuine backing or whatever that is. So alright, let me put it in. Let's see how it goes. Hold on. Look at that. It's so much better than before. So much better. I'm not going to touch it as much, but yeah, that's so much better. I'm so happy with that. And it does look better. Nah, I like it. Okay. Anyway, that needs to be all black. Black. Changed. Black. Black. Changed. Smoked, maybe. All black. Black, black, black. The whole thing needs to be cleaned. And there's like a few things, like the armrest in there needs to be done. But that's the first episode of how to bodge up your own hood, a cheap hood. Next episode, floodlights. Oh no, door lights, whatever they are. Alright, see you in the next one.